Hello, my name is Stefan. This is a proper solution for all users of the MachiFit 500 watt CNC spindle and the Daedalus power supply or else. I use the spindle setup here in Germany, and over here we got 230 volts. And I encountered the same problem as many users. I got a DC voltage output around 150 to 160 volts DC. That means 50 to 60 volts too much. The spindle itself is rated at 100 volt DC. And this video contains two solutions to run the spindle at the recommended DC voltage output. Let's start with the first solution. Solution 1 needs a unit called 4000 watts AC 220 volt high power electronic voltage regulator. You can get this over eBay or Amazon for around $10 or 12 euros. First, and what is really important, is to set the input voltage on your power supply to 110 volts. Connect the AC 200 volt in wires to your 4000 watt AC regulator. Then take the output of the 4000 watt AC regulator and connect it to your MachiFit power supply. Then attach your CNC spindle to your power supply. Double check the input of the 4000 watts AC regulator. Double check the input voltage of your MachiFit power supply. Now you should run on correctly 100 to 110 volts DC. For solution 2, you need a AC 4000 watt voltage regulator and a 0 to 300 volt DC bridge rectifier with an output of 10 amps current. Both you will get on eBay or Amazon. The bridge rectifier will cost you around about $40 or 36 euros. Connect the AC output of your 4000 watt AC regulator to your bridge rectifier AC input. Then connect your CNC spindle to the bridge rectifier DC output. Now you are good to go on 100 volt DC voltage output. Those solutions will help you to keep your MachiFit power supply run stable on fixed voltages and could also be an alternative to a replacement power supply. I hope I could help you to solve this problem with the overrated DC voltage output. My next update to the CNC spindle will be a cooling fix for the overheating issue. Thank you. Bye bye.